Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? She's not chilling in the car; it's like chilling in the street. But still, it is chilling in the car. So today, I'm here to talk to you about something like this is so important for me to talk to you about it. So sometimes in life, things happen for a reason. So we are in 2022. Things happen for a reason. I remember in the last statement that I gave in my show, Let's Wrap Up. So I didn't wish anybody Happy New Year. I wish all my followers to got a good fight, fight will, and then fight with strength. Be courageous. Stay on the battlefield. Do not lose faith. Do not lose anything. And keep fighting. So now I'm here to talk to you to let you know that anything happened for a reason. I'm not gonna say everything happened. Anything. But ça m'envie dit c'est que en pile des fois la vive nous sans destination. La vive nous sans focus. La vive nous quitter nous ébranler par toute situation. Nous sommes humains. We are all human. So everything happened. So gonna change your status, change your face, change your faith, change your hope, and change everything in your life. So sometimes we are too emotional because when things happening, we're not stopping. We're not considering God using that moment to talk to you, or God using that moment to show you the good part in life, or God using that moment to teach you will. But we just take it as a bad sign, or we took it as a on a wrong path, by the way. But thing is, everything has a good reason to be. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But everything has a good reason to be. I'm going there. So if you are created, or if your mom gave you birth, that's mean you are a reason to be on the earth. If your dad keep going out, or your mom keep going out, going work just to feed you, there is a reason to let that happen. Nothing, anything, everything has a reason. All right? So keep faith. Keep faith. Do not lose it. Because ça qui va aujourd'hui, il y a une raison d'être. Ça qui va aujourd'hui, c'est parce que bon Dieu voulait le rivo. Ou quand tu vivre sous les nuées. Okay? And then now you're living on the street. Ou quand tu manger beurre et rôti. Et puis jeudi, ou lever, ou pas manger un hot dog. Okay? So there's a reason for that. There's a reason to let that happen to you. So do not be comfortable. Do not feel comfortable in all situations that you step in. Do not feel so comfortable in every world that you step in. You have to leave your comfort zone. I used to tell you that every single day. You have to leave your comfort zone, because your comfort zone make you lazy. It make you lose your step. You lose your track, because you know where you have to go. You know where are you going. Because you are too comfortable, you forget about your mission. You forget about tomorrow. You forget about why you existing. Huh? That's what I'm saying. Everything, anything happened for a reason. Do not lose faith. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Benji Perrault, le diplôme.